Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights Kit. The Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights kit is an exceptional product that offers a range of impressive features. Manufactured by Nilight, a well-known brand in the industry, this product is designed to provide a high-quality lighting solution with its advanced technology and superior construction. The black color and pod form factor of these rock lights perfectly complement any vehicle, enhancing its appearance while providing practical functionality. These lights are specifically designed to be positioned at the bottom of your vehicle, adding a stylish and illuminating touch. One notable feature of the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights kit is its connectivity technology. With built-in Bluetooth, users can easily control the lights wirelessly. This feature allows for convenient operation and customization of the lighting effects, providing a user-friendly experience. The material used in the construction of these rock lights is aluminum.
The Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights kit is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance the appearance and functionality of their vehicle. Its impressive features, including Bluetooth connectivity, durable aluminum construction, and waterproof design, make it a standout product in its category. With its stylish black color and pod form factor, these rock lights will undoubtedly make your vehicle stand out from the crowd. Whether you're a vehicle enthusiast or simply someone looking for a reliable lighting solution, the Nilight RGB LED Rock Lights kit will not disappoint.